Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks so much for joining me today. I have a fun 4th of July card for you. We're going to be using the Days to Remember stamp set. Now, this one's been in the catalog for a little while, and it's super versatile. I'm going to show you the 4th of July card, and I'm going to show you a different card. I'm going to show you a birthday card. It's got all the months on here. This is kind of intimidating, but I'm going to show you how to do this. So not hard at all. We've got flowers, star, heart, circle. We've got balloons. We've got some inside sentiments. Then we have the days of the week. We have Monday through Sunday. I know in Europe, a lot of times they do that. Or a Saturday or Sunday through Saturday, which is how our calendars go. So let's get started. I'm going to use that stamp set and 2 embossing folders. I am using, this is a new one, it's called Exposed Brick. It's a 3D embossing folder. And then I'm using these stripes out of the Stripes and Splatters embossing folder. So it's 2 of them, and I'm just using the stripes because it's 4th of July. Okay, so we've got to have some stripes. All right, so we're using a basic white card base. Then I have a layer of Night of Navy. And then I have a strip of Real Red. This is 2 inches by 5 1/4 for the Real Red. We're going to emboss our navy in the exposed brick, and then we're gonna emboss our red in these stripes, okay? So I've already done that just to save a little time. And here we go. This just gives it some fun texture to the card because it's a pretty simple card we're making today. So you could easily make several of these quickly if you like to send out 4th of July cards. I wasn't sure, so I did a poll when I was designing classes this month to see who wanted 4th of July. And surprisingly, most people wanted 4th of July projects. So I thought that, and I love doing 4th of July projects, so I was excited about that. Okay, so we have our pieces glued down, super easy. I have a couple of stars that I die cut using the balloon dies from the Bright and Beautiful suite. I'm not sure that's exactly what they're called, but it has 2 stars along with the balloons. And then I cut it out of this textured shimmer paper, which has a fun stripe to it. So it goes perfectly for 4th of July. Okay, we're gonna put those on after we do our stamping. Okay, so I have a piece of white cardstock. I'm gonna put the measurement on my blog. And then from this set, I've put on July. So I've got the July right here, and then the Sunday through Saturday. And I've got those lined up. So I'm going to stamp those first. So if you're doing several of these, this is the way to go. And you know, this is white on white, so I'm going to put this on my navy so I can see a little bit better what I'm doing. And I'm going to stamp this up at the top. All right. Then I'm going to grab my calendar here. So the trick with this is you look at the month. So let's see, I've got my little calendar. July, so July 1st is on a Saturday. So I'm gonna find my 1 up at the top, and I am just going to do the left side. It worked out really well for this month because it's just the left side of the stamp. So I'm gonna make sure I only get from that 1 over. Make sure that's inked. And I'm going to show you how to do it in the middle, so don't worry. And then I'm going to put that back on the blue. And I'm going to just make sure that the 1 is under the Saturday and everything looks pretty straight. And we're going to stamp that. See how nice that comes out? You could do a whole calendar as gifts for next year if you wanted. And then I'm going to take my Real Red. We're done with our navy. And because it's 4th of July, we're going to stamp a red star on the number 4. And I could stamp this on my envelope too if I wanted. And then we have one of the sentiments in the set is a day to remember. which, you know, that's what the 4th of July is. So that's what I'm going to use for the inside of my card. A day to remember. We also have, you know, it's your day, happy birthday, don't forget. So you could send, you know, a save the date. You could send, you know, reminders, all kinds of things. Okay, we're gonna pop up our calendar. So we're gonna make up this card, and I'm gonna show you a birthday card. And we're gonna do a different month. Okay. We're gonna just pop this up kind of over to the left. Then we're gonna grab our stars. I'll put 2 on the big one. I'm just putting 1 on that small star. Everything's sticking to me today. I've been stamping, so my fingers are a little inky. Okay, I'm gonna add those stars. And then I have some of these festive pearls. And we've used all the silver this month, so I'm going to use gold. As soon as I find where I put my pick tool, oh, I put it away. Wasn't ready to put it away. I'm just gonna add 2 little gold stars right here and right here, just to give it a little bit more bling. And that's it. How cute and easy was that? So quick and easy. We lucked out that we could use the whole left side, so it goes a lot quicker. Now, I'm gonna bring in, this is a birthday card, same layout. I used the Bright and Beautiful Suite, so this is some designer paper, both on the base and the strip. And then I've cut out a lemon lime twist balloon. Yep, that's what I use, lemon lime twist. And then one of the, a navy blue shimmer star to put on top. And I have a little bit of twine for my string. This is the same size, so we're gonna make a card for August. So I'm going to look at my August card, my August calendar, and the one is on a Tuesday, okay? So this is what we need to do. We need to clean it really well. Get those clean. We're gonna get this clean. Okay, and I'm gonna take off July, and I'm going to put August on. I have not done this yet, so we're gonna give it a go. Let me find August. That's September, January. Where's August? That's not it. December. Oh, maybe it's up here on this side. November, October. I know there's an August. January, there it is. Okay, August. It's hard to see when they're on there. Okay, so I want August lined up, hopefully straight. I'm gonna do a test run before I stamp on it. Okay, that looks a little crooked. And this is, you know what, this is a really good thing you can do with your grid paper. I can line up my August straight. I'm using this line of the grid paper right here. And then I can line this up because I've already got that on. So it still doesn't look straight to me. All right, let me try that and see if it's straight enough. Once you get it on, then it's easy. But I want to make sure it looks straight. Not super straight, and I could come down a little closer. I don't have a ton of room, so I want to get this as close and as straight as I can, and as centered. All right, we're gonna try this. I'm gonna center that on my grid paper, and then center my month. Let's see if I can pull that down just a little bit. All right, let's try it again. All right, I think that's as good as I'm gonna get it. So let's go ahead and give this a shot. Let's put it on here so we can see a little better what we're doing. We're gonna put August up at the top. Okay, that looks good. Now, want to make sure this is clean. Now, there are a couple ways you can do this. So we decided the first was on a Tuesday. So we're going to have Monday and Sunday. So you can do it a couple ways. I'm going to show you a couple different ways to do this. The first one is we can use a Post-it note to mask it off. If you don't have a marker in the color you want, or you don't have a Stampin' Spot, which are these little 1-inch spots. Now we sell them uninked, so you can add the color that you want with our ink refills. This is a Stampin' Spot left from Paper Pumpkin. So if you have those, you can use those, or you can use a marker. Let's see, the 5th is Saturday. So we want to keep the 5th. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we've got 7 days. So we've marked off the days we don't want with our masks. So we can do this. We can come in. Oh, you know what? Oh my gosh, I didn't realize this. Look, this is designed so that 7 days fit exactly on the ink pad. Oh my goodness, that is so great. So if I go to the 5th and I center this, only the 7 days I need for my week are on the ink pad. That is so awesome. I thought I was going to be a mess masking that off, but I can just ink it like this. I don't need my marker. I don't need a spot. I can just ink this up as is. How awesome is that? Thank you, Stampin' Up, for making this easy on us. Now, I just got to stamp it straight. Look at that. I am so impressed. Oh my gosh, I didn't do it super straight, but isn't that great? I didn't even have to show you 3 different ways. One way is enough. Use whatever color ink you have. Now I have some lemon lime ink, and I was gonna do birthday, but now this has got 2 balloons, and the birthday I want is the 14th. So you can do one of 2 things. You can ink up 1 balloon, put it on the 14th, but I'm not. I'm going to do the little circle. Where's my cleaner? Let's take the star off. And I'm just gonna circle the date. I could do a heart if I wanted, but this is not. And I could do a star because I've got a star on my card. But I just want to try the little circle. So the date I'm looking for is the 14th. Right there. So let's circle. Cute. And let's pop this up. I'm still so excited. I'm so excited that you don't have to even mask or anything. I didn't even know that. It just fits perfectly on your ink pad. There we go. So you can do this for all months, and because you don't have to mask or you know, be particular in stamping this, you could do, I mean, wouldn't this be fun to do a whole calendar? I think I'm going to do that. I think we're going to have a calendar class maybe in January for the whole year, and just make fun little calendars. I'm excited. Okay, be watching for that. Okay, that's it. That's all for today. I will put a picture of this card on there as well, but I'll put the supplies that I use for the 4th of July card on my blog. So I hope you enjoyed the projects today. Check back on Monday, and I have a 4th of July treat holder that we're gonna make. All right, thanks everybody. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.